Knowledge is power.
Hey everybody, I'm DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin, and today we're going to talk about the F998 updated version with the audio alternator. An audio alternator can connect to any sound card. In most cases, you will get pretty distorted audio. This is because microphones normally work at a much lower signal level than regular line-in and line-out audio. So a few weeks ago, I did a review on the F998, and I noticed when I was doing the sound test, I heard a lot of distortion and a lot of static. So I realized that I had already one of these audio alternators, so I was thinking just to try it out with the sound card to see if it was a big difference. So at this time, I'm going to connect everything, then try out the sound quality of the F998. So if you have a pair of headphones, put them on so we can hear the sound quality together. And with that being said,
all systems go.
So let's begin connecting everything. Forgive the noise in the background. I'm watching a soccer game. Then the other end will go here.
I missed something. Can you say it again?
Stop listening. Okay, and then the input, I'll use a color cable so it'll be easy for me to trace it. So the other end will go to the mobile phone. If you do have one, I recommend you use it. This is a splitter by Belkin. I bought it a couple years back. It still does the trick. So if you have one of these, I recommend you also use it. And I think right now it's on sale for $5 on Amazon. So if you have the coin, I suggest you get it. So I have everything connected. I already powered it on. So that's why you're able to hear my voice with the microphone. Okay. So like I said, I am using this audio Attenuator, which is connected. And I'm going to try out each button one by one. So like I said, if you already have your headphones on, just listen to all the sounds and we can make our judgment from here, okay? So let's start from the samples like before.
Awesome!
You guys are so great.
So those were the samples. So let's go test out the microphone effects, starting with the primal sound. So I'm just gonna say my intro like I normally do when I'm doing any video. So, hey everybody, this is DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin, and I'm using the primal sound. Hey everybody, this is DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin, and right now I'm using the recording studio. Hey everybody, this is DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin, and right now I'm using the professional sound. Hey, this is DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin, and right now I'm using the pop button. Hey, this is DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin, and I'm using the MC button, which is one of my favorites.
Hey, the voice stream. This is DJ Hell Nazareth.
Hail Nazareth.
Hell Nazareth.
Shift to C major.
Okay, so I just found out that the lightning button is like a voice auto tune, so that's why I didn't understand it before. And then the last button is the karaoke. So this is the karaoke. So it sounds a little bit like with the reverb in the background. So this is pretty much it. The other buttons everybody should be familiar with. You got the treble, you got your bass, you got your basic EQ, you have your microphone effects, the volume and the echo effect, and of course you got your spectrum. But the main thing I want everybody to recognize that you don't hear any static, any distortion, you just hear plain sound. Now the only thing to do now is to play some music. So let's try that with everything connected and see if I did everything right. So I have everything connected, the audio Auntenator with the audio cables, and of course a microphone to the F998. So everything sounds good. I don't have the volume cranked up too high, and that is because the audio alternator did cut the volume in half so it won't have any distortion. So all of this work is happening within this device here. I recommend everyone, if you have the coin to get it, it's under $20, and it does save people's life when they're streaming online, so they don't have any interference with any distortion or any other technical difficulties. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Anyway, I'm DJ Hell Nazareth with United City Plugin. Thank you for watching, and of course, stay safe.
Don't put me on a track, your legs ain't fit to run that race. And I'm feeling like a mover, I will put you in your place. One time for Sonny Chiba, two times for Geechee Sweat. Yeah, stop what you doing now.